Okay, so you know we gotta do a strand test because y'all be lying talking about y'all ain't put color in your hair. That box color is definitely color. Whip that shit. Yep. Section it. We're gonna put it all on the hair. She got curly hair. Look at all that hair. We're gonna make sure it's real saturated and get in there real good. Yes. Wet. You see me? Okay, stop playing. Shampoo. If your stylist don't shampoo your hair, she nasty. If she tell you to come in the shop pre-shampoo, she nasty. You nasty. Y'all nasty. Shampoo that hair. That's the best part. Look at that. Yes. Scrub it. Get that conditioner in there. Section that hair out. We about to blow it out. Yes, my blowouts be fleeky. Baby, it already look like it's been pressed. Look at that round brush. Whip. Yes, y'all see it. So we're gonna go ahead and get that blown out. The ends is raggedy, baby, but the color is popping. Y'all see that? You know, the camera don't really do no justice, but look at that scalp. Clean. Ain't no dandruff in there, none of that right there. Just nice, clean scalp and beautiful color. Alfaparf. Hey, y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. You know, we did a red mahogany brown, little mix in. But boom, we're going to trim them ends. No, I do not use shears because what y'all not going to do is have me cut my fingers while y'all playing on the phone. But look, yes. Y'all see that? Yes. Flawless. It ain't even flat ironed yet. But boom, there go the flat iron. Yes. Silky. I'm going to let y'all get the zoom in real quick. Y'all can see that shine. Yes. Stop playing with me. Play with your mother. Stop playing with me. Because, baby, the camera don't do no justice, the lighting don't do no justice. But when she come outside and y'all see her, just know that's me. All me. That's me, baby. And my press be impressive. But when it get wet, it curl back up. No heat damage. Fleeky. And yes, we're going to get that color off her hairline. But, I had to make sure that her edges got that red on there, too. Because who want to have black baby hair? Not she, not me. So, like it, love it. Comment, get into it, book your appointments. The holidays is here. You can't get in for Thanksgiving, but you can definitely book for Christmas. And put that box color down, boo-boo, because no, ma'am. Get into this Alfaparf color. Stop playing with me. Stop. Look at that. Oh, just gorgeous. Book me, y'all. Book me.